Hello everyone, this is Eric Redjet 505, and then today what we got here is something really cool. This is the new Kyosho 1957 Bel Air RC car, and it's very cool with a lot of details. Now I can do the unboxing, I can show you the car, but I decided to do something really quick and tell you about what you can do with it. And let's go here to the back real quick, show you the tail of it. It's amazing details, but the reason I'm showing it is because you can take this, and if you have one of the Red Cat Racing Chevy Monte Carlo, you can actually pop this body and those wheels on top of the Red Cat Racing Chevy Monte Carlo, and what you're initially going to do is convert this into a hopping lowrider. So I'm gonna do that in my next video, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And this is real quick, the new Kyosho Fazer Mk2, and this is four-wheel drive RC car that is the Chevy Bel Air. Really cool, amazing details. Look at those mirrors, and then you have the windshield wipers on it. And then this grill that is realistic as it could be. So don't forget, like, subscribe and share. This is a really quick view of it, and I'm gonna do extended one. I just got a couple of those in stock, and actually they're all gone. This one someone is coming to pick up right now, so by the time that you see the video I will already sold out, but I'm gonna get more in a couple of days, so it's not a big deal. But I'm gonna show you how to convert this to actually lowrider hopping vehicle. See you in my next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share, and write a comment below what you want to see done to this car, because I'm going to do that. Bye.